How to upgrade and configure DDR5 RGB memory on the Omen by HP 40L gaming desktop PC GT21-1000A.
Hi, I'm JP, and right now I'm going to show you how to upgrade your rig with a couple of Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 RGB 16GB system memory sticks, and then configure them. Sure, you've already got two 8GB DDR5 modules installed, but with these beasts, you can just ramp it up to the next level. Remember though, while this is the 16GB version of the memory you already have, it's non-HP HyperX memory, so you need to configure it in the BIOS once you install it. Okay, let's get into it. First, make sure your unit is disconnected from the AC power. This way nothing gets fried by accident, including you. Then remove the left access panel and set the box down so it's sitting on its right side. Now pop out the two 8GB memory modules. Just press down on the retaining lever for this first one and take it out. And now do the same for the other one. Next, pop the 16GB Kingston Fury memory modules into their respective slots. Remember, you want matched pairs, so put your 16GB sticks in slots 2 and 4 and make sure they're properly seated. Easy, right? Now let's put it back together. Plug it back in, power it on, and press escape a few times to get to the BIOS. Right, let's get into configuring this Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 RGB memory we've just installed. So you launch the Omen BIOS and navigate to the advanced menu. When prompted, click the continue button. Okay, so before the utility displays the memory overclocking pane, you need to confirm that you understand the risks of overclocking, which of course you do, but do read the warning, and if you're okay, then click the I agree button. Here on the memory overclocking pane, you need to create a custom memory profile. You do that here with the memory profile dropdown. Just select the custom profile option. Now the key thing to do is select the DRAM frequency option and set it to 5200. Leave the latency option alone for now, and the voltage is already at the correct setting. That's it, just click exit, and then click yes to confirm the change, and you're done. No really, it's this easy. OSU does all the heavy lifting for you. While we're at it, let's configure the lighting sequence for the memory. You just navigate to the lighting tab in the OGH, and select the memory lighting zone. Choose the static color mode, and then choose the Omen standout color, which of course is red. Click apply, and you're all set. Game on!